Inside Kris Humphries' private world years after Kim Kardashian divorce. Kris Humphries' brief and highly publicized marriage to Kim Kardashian in 2011 was one of the most talked about celebrity relationships of the decade. The whirlwind union, lasting just 72 days before Kardashian filed for divorce, made headlines around the world and sparked endless speculation about whether the marriage was real or a publicity stunt. Years later, Kris Humphries has stepped away from the glare of the spotlight, carving out a quieter life and private world largely removed from the Kardashian drama. From NBA star to tabloid fixture. Before the Kardashian saga, Kris Humphries was primarily known as a professional basketball player. Drafted in 2004 by the Utah Jazz and later playing for teams including the New Jersey Nets, Minnesota Timberwolves, and Boston Celtics, Humphries had a respectable NBA career. Known for his height, athleticism, and hustle on the court, he was a role player who found moderate success in the league. However, his marriage to Kim Kardashian, a reality TV star and social media icon, launched him into a very different kind of fame, one centered on tabloid headlines and reality TV buzz. The Kardashian family's immense media presence meant that Humphries was thrust into a world of paparazzi, endless rumors, and intense public scrutiny. Life after the divorce. Following the dramatic end of his marriage to Kardashian, Kris Humphries faced a challenging period. The divorce was reportedly acrimonious, with Humphries publicly accusing Kardashian of faking their relationship for fame and TV ratings. The legal battle and media frenzy that followed left Humphries in the eye of a relentless storm. In the years since, Humphries has kept a low profile. He gradually distanced himself from the Kardashian spotlight and refocused on his career and personal growth. He continued to play basketball professionally, including stints overseas in leagues in South Korea and other countries, showing his dedication to the sport beyond the NBA. Building a private life. Away from the cameras, Humphries has built a more private and grounded life. He has spoken in interviews about the lessons he learned from the divorce and how it shaped his outlook. Focused on mental health and personal well-being, he has emphasized the importance of moving forward and not being defined by past relationships or public controversies. Humphries is also active on social media, though his approach is more understated than that of many other celebrities. He shares glimpses of his life, including workout routines, family moments, and inspirational messages, connecting with fans on his own terms without inviting unnecessary drama. Business ventures and beyond. Beyond basketball, Kris Humphries has explored business opportunities, including investments and entrepreneurial projects. His experience in professional sports has helped him transition into roles that capitalize on discipline and teamwork. While not as prominent in mainstream media as the Kardashian clan, Humphries maintains a respectable presence, respected for his authenticity and resilience. His story reflects the challenges of navigating fame, especially when intertwined with one of the most famous families in entertainment. Reflection and moving forward. Today, Kris Humphries represents a figure who has reclaimed his narrative. Despite the ups and downs of public life, he has found ways to thrive privately and professionally. His journey underscores the importance of self-identity beyond the headlines and demonstrates how time and perspective can transform a once turbulent chapter into a source of strength. For fans curious about what happened to the NBA star after the Kardashian whirlwind, Humphries' private world reveals a man focused on growth, health, and carving out his own path, away from the spotlight but very much in control of his life story.